Hello everybody, today we are studying about the stellar nucleosynthesis. This is all about the stars, about the study of the stars, how the star is born, how the star dies, and the cycle of the stars. This formation of helium of atom is an example of nuclear fusion reaction, especially for proton chain. Stellar nucleosynthesis can be initiated in stars with temperature of less than 15 million Kelvin. That means mas dati yung star natin 15 million Kelvin. Ngayon, nag-less na siya, parang lumamig bigla yung star natin. So, gawa ng helium niya, kaya napababa ang ating temperature sa stars because of by years it happened. Ito yung example. Dati blue star to. Ang dami pa niyang elements. Ngayon, naging red star na lumamig na siya. Parang, ang lab, ang kanyang lamig is sobrang nilamig niya yung star niya. For example, this one, naging from blue star to red star. Pero pag into the core, painit ng painit. Na-close na siya doon sa supernova. So, like, means the star is on the end of its journey. This is what will happen if the red giant actually explodes. This is the stellar nucleosynthesis equation. Pero yung nakikita niyo sa picture yung E minus V plus VE, ito yung mga ginagamit sa CNO cycle. Yun ang mga ginagamit niya. Pagkatapos, ang daming equation din nandito. Tritium, Ethereum, Lithium, madami pa na hindi ko na research pa. Ito naman yung next. Isotopes. So isotopes are atoms of the same element as they have the same number of protons, but the atomic masses are very different for numbers of atoms. Here's an highlight. So these are the examples. You see, what I see is protium, deuterium, and tritium. This is the examples of hydrogen atoms. CNO cycle. It's a process of stellar nucleosynthesis in which main sequence fused with hydrogen into helium via a 6-stage sequence of reaction. This sequence proceeds as follows: of a carbon-12 nucleus captures a proton and emits a producing ray producing nitrogen-13. Produces 26.7 MeV of energy, thus it's effective in energy generation. For example, this is the equation. If we're gonna plus this one, 13, it's gonna be nitrogen. This is how the equation does. And this is the example of CNO cycle. Once a star explodes, a new star will be reborn. Alpha fusion process. It's one of the two classes of undernuclear reactions by which stars convert to helium into heavier elements. The other being the triple alpha process. The triple alpha process consumes only helium and produces carbon. Ito yung example. For example, gagawa tayo ng equation, ha? Gagawa tayo ng equation na atin. So, before ma-discuss ko lahat to, pupunta tayo sa paint. So, here's an example of the nuclear equation of the stellar nucleosynthesis. So, what we're gonna base off is this below. What we're gonna do in this formula is we're gonna minus 28 minus 4, 24. And then 14 minus 2 is 12. So what is the 12 on 12? The electron number of 12. So if we search the periodic table, it's gonna be magnesium. This is the correct way. You're just gonna base from here and to here. You're just gonna minus them. Here we have another example. 48, then 24, Cr plus O minus negative 1. Won't write, but bear with it. So, and what's the answer? So, what we're gonna do is, we're not gonna minus anything here. We forget the electron. We're not gonna minus 48, but the below one is actually 22. Tw 24 minus 21. But there's another equation here that is actually unknown. Well, sometimes professors are not writing it, but you have to bear with it. Sometimes professors are not writing it. 24 minus 1, 23. But there's another one, 22. What's the 22 in our 22 is actually mm, let me solve it for a while. Mhm. We're solving. I'm still solving it. I'm finding it. It's gonna be 22. What's 22 in our periodic table? There we go. Periodic table. 22. It's Ti, titanium. This is the answer. But if we're gonna convert it to like this, it's gonna be 140 grams. 140 grams. That's the answer of this equation. So moving on. Sorry for my delays. We're gonna erase all of this and look for another example. That's more hard. I'll give you guys a question. I'm searching one. So all of you can solve it by yourselves if you want to try this video out. I see. So 12 minus 8, 12, 8, 12, 8. So 8 is oxygen up to 9, 3, fluorine. So what's the answer? So our answer is gonna be 11. No, it's not 11. It's gonna be 12 minus 3. If we're gonna 12 minus 3, 12 minus 3 is 12 minus 3, this is 2, my bad, 0, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 9. It's gonna be 9. 9? But this is quite wrong. This is wrong equation. It's supposed to be. It's gonna be negative 1 something. But this is a wrong equation. Negative 1 will be hydrogen. That's the answer. If the professor is gonna be 1. So I hope you enjoy part 1 of this equation, and I'll make a part 2 soon. It's all about the orbitals, so everyone can learn it. So thank you for watching the video, and goodbye.